Hi guys, so today I'm super excited to show you some of these wooden chip cookies, I call them, because they're the perfect size of a cookie, but they're for arts and crafts, but they are just the absolute cutest. So this is what they look like on both sides. They're both very soft. They've been sanded, very natural looking. They have these pre-drilled holes in them for putting some string or yarn. I do want to show you what's included. So in this bag, you get 30 of these cookies or these wooden chips. Also comes with 2 sets of yarn or string. So you've got your red and white cotton or your brown hemp style. So I just think they're super cute and I'm excited. I'm going to use these for my daughter's wedding for table numbers. So I will show you an example of that. And then also I thought I'm going to try putting a Christmas tattoo on one for making Christmas ornaments. So let's give it a try and see how it works. Okay, so as you can see here, I started with a wooden slice for my base. I added this candle or this mason jar here, and then I took one of those cookies and put number 2 on there, just for an example of a table number. Use this hemp string, and it'll just hang from there and just decorate it with a couple lights. And here is the final project of my tattoo. The temporary tattoo that I used of the reindeer, this cute little reindeer with the cotton red and white string. So I think he turned out really cute. He will hang really great on a Christmas tree. It's just my Christmas tree is not quite up yet. So I just traded it out on the mason jar, but I think it turned out really cute.